Welcome to Review Lab. The Best Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning solutions you can add to your arsenal, tackling everything from stubborn rust stains on your favorite cookware to dulling soap scum in your shower with remarkable ease. This creamy formula is designed to cling to surfaces, allowing its powerful yet gentle cleaning agents to break down grime and restore the original shine to a variety of materials, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to achieve a spotless home without harsh scrubbing or damaging their cherished items. Number 5. True Fresh Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets. Is your washing machine no longer smelling fresh? Over time, residue, limescale, and grime can build up, leading to unpleasant odors. These powerful tablets are designed to deep clean every part of your washing machine. They reach the drum, pump, valve, and hoses for a thorough clean. Say goodbye to stubborn smells. Our formula effectively removes odor-causing residue, leaving your machine smelling fresh and clean after every wash. Whether you have a front load, top load, or heat washer, these tablets are safe and effective. They are also septic safe, making them a great choice for any home. Simply place one tablet in your washing machine drum and run a normal cycle. You'll notice the difference in cleanliness and freshness immediately. This pack contains 25 tablets, providing a long-lasting solution to keep your washing machine in top condition. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher laundry experience. What we like. If your washing machine has persistent odors or you're looking for a deep clean, this is your go-to. It tackles residue, limescale, and grime effectively. If you want to maintain your machine's performance and freshness, especially for front-load or heat models, consider this. What people say. This is the only product that has ever removed the white haze from my stainless steel sinks. I have used Barkeeper's Friend for years and it has never failed to remove rust stains and hard water spots from my sinks and tubs. It has a thick consistency that clings to surfaces, allowing it to work effectively on tough stains. Number 4. Weiman Cooktop Cleaning Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Introducing the Weiman Cooktop Cleaning Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Achieve a spotless shine on your cooktop with ease. Our powerful formula cuts through grease and grime, leaving a brilliant, streak-free finish. Say goodbye to stubborn residue. This non-abrasive cleaner is specially formulated to be safe for glass and ceramic cooktops. It gently lifts away messes without scratching. Each pack comes with a premium microfiber cloth for optimal cleaning and polishing. It's the perfect tool to restore your cooktop's gleam. Not just for cooktops, this versatile cleaner is also effective on ovens. Tackle tough baked-on food and grease with confidence. Trust Weiman for all your cleaning needs. Experience the difference a quality cleaning solution can make in your home. What we like. For those who want a spotless cooktop without the hassle, this spray is ideal. It cuts through grease and grime, leaving a streak-free finish on glass and ceramic surfaces. If you're tired of residue and want a quick, effective solution for your cooktop, you should choose this. What people say. This is a great product for cleaning stainless steel sinks and removing water spots. It works well on tough stains and grime, leaving surfaces looking like new. The soft cleanser is easy to use and doesn't require much scrubbing. Number 3. Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser and Spray Cleaner Bundle. Introducing a dynamic cleaning bundle designed to tackle your toughest messes. This set includes 2 powerful cleaners that work together to restore shine and remove stubborn stains. With 2 distinct formulas, this bundle is perfect for various cleaning needs. Use the spray and foam for daily tasks and the soft cleanser for heavy-duty buildup removal. Effortlessly clean your kitchen by cutting through grease and grime on appliances and surfaces. In the bathroom, it tackles soap scum, hard water stains, and rust for a complete refresh. These cleaners are safe for use on a wide range of materials including stainless steel, porcelain, glass, and tile. They effectively remove stains and buildup without damaging surfaces. Experience the professional-grade cleaning power trusted by homeowners for generations. Restore the brilliance of your home with these reliable and effective cleaning solutions. What we like. If you're looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution for multiple areas of your home, this bundle is perfect. It combines a daily cleaner with a heavy-duty cleanser for tough stains like rust and soap scum. If you appreciate having specialized formulas for different messes and surfaces, from kitchens to bathrooms, consider this. What people say. This is a great product for cleaning stainless steel sinks. It removed rust stains from my sink without any scrubbing. The soft cleanser is easy to use and doesn't require much effort. Number 2. Barkeeper's Friends Soft Cleanser Liquid. Introducing Barkeeper's Friends Soft Cleanser Liquid. It's your go-to solution for tackling stubborn stains that ordinary cleaners leave behind. This powerful formula works hard so you don't have to. Watch as it easily removes rust stains, soap scum, and tough grease. Perfect for a variety of surfaces, including stainless steel. It restores shine and removes unsightly marks without harsh scrubbing. Get more cleaning power with this convenient 2-pack. You'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. Bring back the original luster to your home. Experience the difference a truly effective cleaner can make. What we like. If you frequently deal with stubborn rust stains, soap scum, or grease on stainless steel and other hard surfaces, this liquid cleanser is a great choice. It's designed to tackle these tough issues effectively. If you need a reliable, multi-purpose cleaner that restores shine and removes difficult marks, you should consider this. What people say. This is the only product that has ever removed the white cloudy film from my stainless steel sink. It works great on my stainless steel sink and stovetop, removing burnt on food and grease. I have used this product for years and it always works great on my stainless steel sink and stovetop. Number 1. Hope's Perfect Sink Cleaner and Polish. Introducing Hope's Perfect Sink Cleaner and Polish, the ultimate solution for a sparkling clean sink. It's specially formulated to restore and protect your sink surface. Tired of stubborn stains? This powerful cleaner effortlessly removes unsightly marks, bringing back the original beauty of your sink. It's safe and effective on a variety of materials, including cast iron, Corian, composite, and acrylic sinks. Get a brilliant shine on any sink type. More than just a cleaner, it's a restorer. Watch as it revitalizes dull surfaces, leaving them looking like new again. Achieving a perfect finish is simple. Just apply, gently scrub, and rinse for a dazzling, polished look that lasts. Each 8.5 fluid ounces bottle provides ample product for multiple uses. Keep your sink looking its best with this convenient size. What we like. For anyone who wants their sink to look its best, this cleaner and polish is the answer. It's formulated to remove tough stains and restore the original shine on a variety of sink materials. If you have a sink made of cast iron, Corian, composite, or acrylic and are looking for a restorative solution, you should choose this. What people say. This is a great product for cleaning stainless steel sinks. It effectively removes rust stains and water spots. The soft cleanser is easy to use and doesn't require much scrubbing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.